Hello, children. Good morning, everyone. Today we will continue with the lesson Who Am I? Yesterday we have completed part 1 of this lesson. Today we will start part 2 Multiple Intelligence. So, everybody, please be attentive. Each one of us is good at something, right? But we all possess different levels of intelligence. Let's see such difference in intellect that can be classified into 6 types. Now here first is given visual intelligence. Do you know children, people gifted with visual intelligence learn by seeing things. They observe charts, videos, and even images to quickly grasp information. Such people are good at reading, writing, and making things. This type of people can be seen working as artists, engineers, inventors, designers, mechanics, etc. Now let's read this. You like to think in pictures, create mental things, to remember things. Then you enjoy looking at maps, charts, pictures, videos and movies. कई कई लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो जो थिंग्स होती है उनको बहुत कीनली ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, जैसे कि मैप्स, चार्ट्स, पिक्चर्स, वीडियोस एंड मूवीज. दे एंजॉय लुकिंग दीज थिंग्स. You are good at puzzle building, then reading, writing, charts and graphs also. A sense of direction, sketching, painting, fixing or making objects, understanding pictures. So this type of people can be navigator, sculptor, artist, inventor, architect, interior design, mechanic and engineer. Now moving forward, second number, let's see verbal intelligence. People with verbal intelligence use rich vocabulary and have good command over language. Here it is written, you like to use words and language. You speak well and think in words rather than pictures. You are good at speaking, writing, storytelling, listening, explaining, teaching, using humor, understanding the meaning of words, remembering information, convincing someone of your point of view. So such type of people are likely to become successful poets, anchors, journalists, teachers, lawyers, politicians, translator, etc. Now let's talk about mathematical intelligence. People blessed with mathematical intelligence abilities are always curious about the world around them. ऐसे लोग की जो मैथमेटिक्स एबिलिटी जिनको मिलती है, जो ये एबिलिटी से ब्लेस्ड होते हैं, उनको ये जो वर्ल्ड होता है, उनके सराउंडिंग जो थिंग होती है उसके बारे में वो बहुत क्यूरियस होते हैं. दे आर इंटरेस्टेड इन सॉल्विंग पजल्स. ऐसे लोग जो होते हैं वो पजल सॉल्व करने में, एक्सपेरिमेंट करने में, कैलकुलेशंस करने में बहुत आगे होते हैं. वर्किंग विथ ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप्स. They also like to work with geometrical shapes. They are likely to become scientist, engineer, computer programmer, researcher, accountant and mathematicians. Now here we have completed 3 different types of people. Now let's see another different type of people. Being good at your studies is one kind of intelligence, but there are many others too. Read the descriptions to find out which of the following types of intelligence best describes you. Remember that there will probably be more than one type of intelligence which fits you. Here 3 difference given, intellect difference given, but one people will probably be more than one type of intelligence which fits you. Let's see now bodily intelligence. This particular group of people can control and regulate their body skillfully. They are good at dancing, playing, acting, etc. They like to move around while learning. Then they express emotions through their body. They usually take up professions like singing, athlete, dancing, education teacher, then sports, acting, crafting, etc. They can be craftsperson, firefighters, teacher, physical education teacher, like PT teacher, then athlete, etc. Now let's talk about musical intelligence. People with musical intelligence are interested in singing. They like to play and enjoy music. They think about sounds, rhythms, and patterns. They immediately respond to music, either appreciating or criticizing what they hear. वो कोई भी म्यूज़िक सुनते हैं तो उनके बारे में वो क्विक रिस्पॉन्स देते हैं, आइदर उसके अप्रिशिएट करते हैं उसके बारे में या तो फिर उसको क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं. They can easily learn different musical instruments and most of them become musicians, disc jockeys, singers, composers, etc. Now let's talk about last. It is interpersonal intelligence. People with interpersonal intelligence can understand others better. जो इंटरपर्सनल इंटेलिजेंस के लोग होते हैं, जो लोगों में ये इंटेलिजेंस होती है, वो लोग दूसरों को बहुत इजीली एंड बहुत बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं. दे ट्राई टू सी थिंग्स फ्रॉम अदर पीपल्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इन ऑर्डर टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ दे फील और थिंक. They are good organizer and manage to get other people to cooperate and work as a team. Seeing things from others views. उन लोगों में कौन सी प्लस पॉइंट होती है, कौन सी अच्छी थिंग्स होती है, तो वो लोग जो दूसरे को पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखते हैं. देन लिसनिंग, अंडरस्टैंडिंग अदर पीपल्स मूड्स. दूसरे लोग के मूड्स कैसे हैं वो अंडरस्टैंड करते इजीली. एंड दे अंडरस्टैंड ऑल्सो देयर फीलिंग्स, solve problems, cooperate with group. Then they usually become good counselors. They usually become salespersons, politicians, advisors, business person, teacher, etc. So students, we just have seen that how different types of people we surrounded by ourselves. I hope you all understood well and you also enjoyed this part 2, the story of this lesson. Bye everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.